Hey, it's me again, Phil. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure video. Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your blinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 10 to 20 minutes for this installation. For large blinds over 2.5 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box, which will take you to the DIYblinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you'll need to pre-drill the holes and use the screws provided. If you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs are. Your second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your blinds brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. When it comes to deciding which side you want the chain to be on, it's best to remind yourself by looking at your email receipt. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYblinds a call so we can help.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a guitar expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYblinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your honeycomb blinds. Let's start by installing the brackets, and let's jazz it up in 3/4 time.
Jazz. Jazz. Jazz.
So, keep the end brackets 50mm in from the edge of the window frame, spaced evenly across the window like this. Make a mark and pre-drill a hole. Secure the brackets with screws like this.
In this next section, we're going to raise the tempo and get into the groove.
Lift the headrail into place. Insert the front of the bracket into the groove, which is on the top, at the face of the bracket, and lift the back of the track up and click it into place, like this.
Now's the time to make your blind safe for children by installing your chord cleat.
Fasten the cleat to the frame or wall using the screws provided. The cleats must be installed at least 1600mm above floor level, because a child is capable of unwinding a cord from a cleat.
Congratulations, your beautiful new honeycomb blinds should now be installed. And they don't just look good, they sound good too. Honeycomb. Honeycomb. A comb full of...
If you feel like you're suffering from stage fright, just call us on 1300 918 390.